Today we'll talk about how can you add or change your birthday on your iQIYI app. We will to figure out the solution or know how you can do that on your app. So all you have to do, you just go down, click here on me down here. When you click here on me, it's going to take you to this list here. So then all you have to do, just click here on settings. Then it's going to take you to next step here. Then all you have to do now, just click here on account and security here. Then it's going to take you to next step here. Click here on your name account. Then it's going to take you to this list here. Then you just click here on date of birth here. So then here add your birthday here in this list. So just here can you choose here your birthday here. So then you click here on OK. Then it's going to add with you. When you're done, go above save, click on it. Then it's going to save with you here. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking and subscribe.